Hello students. So in this lecture I am going to discuss a numerical based on Snell's law or refractive index. So let's start this lecture. So I have written a question. The question is, find the time taken by light to travel a distance of 600 meter in water. So how much time taken by light? If we know the speed of light in water, we can calculate the time. But speed of light is different in different medium. But we can find the speed of light in water because we know the refractive index of water. That is given as 4/3. So speed of light in water is given as speed of light in water. That is equal to me. So how do we define refractive index? Refractive index is defined as speed of light in air to speed of light in that medium. So if we want to find the speed of light, so that will be speed of light in air, speed of light in air to refractive index of water. So this is, we define the definition of a refractive index, which is defined as the ratio of speed of light to speed of light in air to the speed of light in that medium. That is defined as the refractive index of that medium. So if we know the refractive index of that medium, we can calculate the value of speed of light in that medium. So what is the speed of light in air? That is comes out to be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. And the refractive index of water is given as 4/3. So this will come out to be 9 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power 8. Right? That is in meter per second. Refractive index is a dimensionless quantity. So it is a unitless quantity. So unit is meter per second. So this is the speed of light in water. Now how to calculate the time? Time is simply defined as distance divided by speed. So how much distance travel? That is given as 600 meter. And with that speed, what is the speed? That is the speed of light in water, that medium we want to calculate, the time. So that speed is defined as speed of light in water, which comes out to be 9/4 into 10 raised to power 8. So this will come out to be 2.6 microsecond. So this is the time taken by light to travel a distance of 600 meter in water.